Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix your Canon SELPHY CP1000 basically not printing. So of course the first thing that you want to do is to check the ink and paper, which is basically the most common issue out there. First things first, the match size. Ensure that your ink and here is our ink cassette are the exact same sizes, both postcard size or both card size. Now you also want to fix the ink slack. If the ink film is loose, gently turn the sprocket to make the sheet taut and never reuse a partially used ink cassette. And of course the paper orientation. You want to load the paper with glossy side facing up and do not bend the paper or separate the perforated edges before printing. And some other issues out there is to basically verify your memory card or USB drive. Just make sure that it is supported for your Canon SELPHY and your computer connection. Basically, if your printer is not connected properly or have a lot of print queues, you just want to make sure to check out the print queues on the system tray right here. Go ahead and click on your printer and make sure that there are no pending prints to basically allow the printer to print the thing that you want to be printed right now. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.